everyone, this is Amy from Mummy Mojo, and in this video I'm going to tell you about our brand new program, the 28-day Summer Body Meal Plan. And as you can probably tell, I'm pretty excited about it because we've listened to what it is you truly need, and a lot has changed in 2020 with the impacts of COVID. So many of you mums are feeling more overwhelmed, more stress. You're feeling more sluggish. You're finding it hard to shift that weight. There's been a lot of homeschooling and eating the kids' snacks, and so much has changed in our patterns of behavior. And there's just that lack of direction, and we're feeling not as motivated and joyful. We're not as aligned to what it is that we truly want. And I know that many of you have reached out to us and you're in need of a program that's not only simple and easy to follow, but that can really help you reach your goals and make changes. And so this is where the 28-day Summer Body Meal Plan comes in. In the 28-day Summer Body Meal Plan, there's going to be a big focus on the diet. Now, there's no calorie counting, and we lay every single meal out for you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and snacks. And the food is going to be delicious, mostly plant-based, whole food recipes. Not only that, but they're going to be really tasty. Now, I'm a foodie at heart, so that's really important that you enjoy these meals. But they're going to support your metabolism. They're going to detox your body. They're going to support your mitochondrial health so that you have this renewed energy too. And if you think about it, losing some weight, feeling less sluggish, having, that renewed sense of energy, and then you've got that mindset piece supported as well, that is mojo. And so we're going to be really focused on you getting your mojo back in 2020. So during the program, there's going to be a variety of different support materials. You're going to have video tutorials from myself. There'll be daily text messages just to give you that little inspiration to keep going. And one of the best bits is that you're going to be part of a private group. So you're going to be supported, encouraged, and motivated by a like-minded tribe of beautiful, gorgeous mums, just like yourself, who want to achieve those goals too. So it really is going to be a great program, and there's so much value for what we offer. What's great about this time is that we also have a couple of freebies just to sort of see if this is something that could be right for you. So we're offering a pick of the bunch recipe book with some great recipes from our Mojo Detox, and some of these will be in the 28-day Summer Body Meal Plan, so that you can get a flavour of the meals that we create and design at Mummy Mojo. And then we've also got the brand new 3-day Mojo Reboot. And this 3-day Mojo Reboot will give you a great taster of what's to come in the program. And you'll actually take on some steps to reach some of your goals. And so I really hope that you can join us inside this program. During this program, our aim will be to help you shift that weight, to help you feel more energy, to get back that mojo glow, and most importantly, to have that in a sustainable way for the long term. So the first 4 days will set you up with meal plans and meal prepping. We'll give you lots of support and guidance on shopping and getting your recipes right for the week. Then there'll be 3 weeks really focused on that weight loss program with great support from a like-minded tribe of women, including our coaches. And then for the last 3 days, we'll set you on a maintenance program, set you up with some great beliefs and mindset rituals so that you can keep this going into summer. So not only will you start summer with your great sexy body back, but you'll be able to maintain it through summer as well. So for more information, click on the link, check out our website landing page, and please just email, comment with any questions that you have. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help. And I really hope that we see you inside the program.